Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Bella, also known as This Mindful Mama here on YouTube. Today we're gonna be organizing and cleaning my daughter's nursery, so let's just get right into it. I picked this up at the Target dollar spot for Kennedy's first birthday. See if you can guess in the comments what the theme is. I think what we're gonna do is go through all the bins individually and see if there's anything that I wanna donate or give to other family members. We're gonna start off with, I call it her teether basket. Looks like we have some nursing guards, some like nipple shields, but I don't even use those, so we're definitely gonna get rid of those. We have an amber teething necklace. I just wanted to quickly show you, look at all of these teethers from Glitter and Spice. Guys, this is why you never buy anything for the baby. People will definitely give you things. In this one, we have some spare blankets, but I think I'm gonna give those to a family member that's having a baby right now. So this one is by far my favorite bin because it has all of her bows in it. And what I like to do for bows is separate them by colors so that it's easier for me to find them when we're trying to quickly get out the door in the morning. I can just match it with an outfit. And right now, some of the bows are just thrown back in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them all back in their bags. These are some clothes that I'm saving for a friend. I just can't believe how small they are. Okay, tour time. In this first basket, we now have the organized teethers and pacifiers. The second drawer is socks and mittens, all put together. This third one, I don't know what we're gonna do with yet, but now we have more room. This next one, we have all of her hats and her beanies. We're running out of space in our bow box. We're definitely gonna have to go through and get rid of some of those, but it's so sad because I love them all. Baby wipes, spare crib sheets, extra blankets, extras. Thanks for making it to the end of my first cleaning video here on YouTube. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video. Please turn on all your notifications so you don't miss a single upload. You can follow me over on Instagram at Bella_Ariana127. Until next time, bye guys!